Video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for free in 2026. If you're a student, developer, content creator, or just getting started with AI, you can explore many of Google AI Studio's features without paying. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply create one using your existing Google credentials. After signing in, you'll have access to the free features and supported Gemini models available for your account. You can start creating prompts, generating text, writing code, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas, and experimenting with AI directly from your browser. If you want to build your own applications, navigate to the API section and create an API key. Google may provide a free usage tier with certain limits, allowing you to develop and test projects without immediate costs. Keep an eye on your usage so you don't exceed any applicable limits. To make the most of the free version, write clear and detailed prompts. Better prompts produce better results, helping you complete tasks more efficiently while making the best use of your available quota. You can also use Google AI Studio for learning programming, creating YouTube scripts, drafting blog posts, translating text, generating business ideas, and testing AI workflows, all without needing a paid subscription for many common use cases. As your projects grow, monitor your API usage and review any available plans if you eventually need higher limits or additional features. Starting with the free version is an excellent way to learn the platform before deciding whether you need more advanced capabilities. And that's how to use Google AI Studio for free in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio